Did you know you can grow grapes from seeds saved from store-bought grapes? It's a slow process, but it's a rewarding journey to grow your own grapevine at home. Let's dive into the process, step by step, harvesting and cleaning grape seeds. Start by carefully harvesting and cleaning your grape seeds. After enjoying the fruit, rinse the seeds underwater to remove any pulp, then let them dry. Clean seeds are key for successful planting. Testing seeds for fertility. Before planting, test the seeds by dropping them into water. If they float, they're not viable. The ones that sink are your best chance at growing a healthy grapevine. Stratifying grape seeds. To break seed dormancy, mimic winter conditions by wrapping seeds in a damp paper towel, sealing in a bag, and refrigerating them for 3 months. This step preps the seeds for germination.
Planting grape seeds.
Once stratified, plant seeds just below the surface in a pot with well-draining soil. Keep the soil lightly moist and place the pot somewhere sunny to encourage growth. Methods for growing grapes from seed. Try these growing methods. In soil, use well-draining soil in a pot and move to larger containers as they grow. In water, start by floating seeds on damp paper towels to observe initial growth. Greenhouse offers warmth and humidity that grape seedlings love. Window box, great for small spaces with plenty of light. Section 6. Tips for growing grapes from seed. Here are some tips to boost your results. Use a heat mat, adds warmth to speed germination. Rooting hormone encourages strong root growth. Pruning helps grapevines focus energy on strong growth. Consistent watering, keep soil moist, but avoid overwatering. Common problems. Be prepared for these challenges. No germination. Some seeds won't sprout, so plant a few extras. Slow growth. Grape seedlings may start slow. Patience is key. No fruit. Vines from seeds may take years to produce, and taste may vary. Disease. Grapevines are prone to disease, so check for early signs. And there you have it. Growing grapes from seeds is a unique challenge, but with care, patience, and these steps, you could enjoy a thriving grapevine in your own garden. If you enjoyed this guide, hit subscribe for more tips on growing your dream garden.